Good morning. Today is May 18th, and we're going to put together a New Frontier poster. Your job is to read about Kennedy and Chapter 30, Section 1 and 2 and 3. And then put together a poster for me for Wednesday, May 20th. I thought I'd show you a couple examples. Well, the directions are in the PowerPoint that are on my Schoology page. But anyway, I just pulled them up too so you would know what you need to do. Your task is to design a New Frontier poster. It's going to be handcrafted, display improvements found on the previous slide, in the PowerPoint, of course, but examples that I'll show you in just a moment of Kennedy's programs that he wanted to improve the domestic policy of the United States. Include at least 5 improvements. It's worth 7 points. You need to add some color, get some visuals in there. I'll show you a couple examples. The previous slide that I was talking about was this one, the New Frontier proposals. Michael Harrington had this book called The Other America, where he people read it and realized that not everyone was as well to do. In the 1950s, things were good for a lot of people, but not everybody. There are people in West Virginia who didn't even have food for their kids. Okay, or fresh milk or vegetables. So anyway, this is written about. He read this book and thought we need to improve things at home. All right. He encouraged young people to enter public service, volunteer. It was mentioned in the reading about the Peace Corps. He took steps to lower inflation through wage and price controls. He proposed a tax cut. It included programs to help the poor Americans, whether it was the crumbling inner cities or rural America, especially where there were pockets of poor people. He recommended funds for improving urban areas. Education, lots. Mental health care, a lot of post-traumatic stress. People from the war, Korean War, and of course World War II. He wanted to expand military and expand the space program. Some of the challenges he faced, yeah, those are mentioned as well. But on the New Frontier poster, if you can concentrate on the things that he tried to get across. I'll show you a couple examples. This one's pretty basic. New Frontier's got a picture of they expanded the military programs. It's got a picture of the book The Other America by Michael Harrington. He's got the Peace Corps in there. Okay, so anyway, funds for improving hospitals in urban areas, etc. Tax cuts. There's a picture of someone with an axe cutting down a tax tree. The voting box at the top, the ballot box. That's pretty cool. So anyway, pretty simple, to the point. Here's another one. I thought that was good. Pretty simply, you got your highlighters out. Whoops, don't need this. Yeah, don't need that part. I'll post it. Education programs. You wanted to expand the military, mental health care. That's a picture of a brain. We have improving healthcare too with the heart. Cutting tax cuts. You got scissors. Expanding the space program. There's the moon. Okay, so just some ideas. This one is a little more. I couldn't do this one, but anyway, I like it. I really like the rocket. It has NASA on there and got the moon. So it's got 5 programs, New Frontier programs, like that. And this one is really well detailed as well. I don't think I could draw like that, but one of my former students did. So anyway, and some ideas for you to help come up with a plan for doing your New Frontier poster. All right, 7 points in the summative category. Do a great job. It can be simple with stick figures. All right, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.